Zhongshan WIE Electric Appliance Company Limited. The company is specializing in developing, manufacturing and selling electric water heaters and are advantages in producing 1. With exclusive inventions, practical patent, automatic laser girth welding technology for water tanks, successfully solve the pain points of the traditional manual welding process. The welding surface is smooth and flat, with better fusion, more reliable, and higher quality. 2. The inner tank adopts an integrated welding process, which makes the weld line symmetrical and uniform. 3. EAA electronic anode anti-corrosion system, using titanium alloy as the magnesium anode that enables to avoid replacement for the lifetime. 4. A new generation of austenitic stainless steel heating element, which enjoys a brand new like 6,000 hours fast heating ability, and it is equipped with 360-degree high-density environmental protection foam layer. In the future, WIE Electric Appliance will always insist on improving product quality and create a better life for tomorrow.